Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add birthday field to HubSpot. First come here and click on this gear cog to access your settings. Now here I want you to scroll down and click on the properties under data management. Okay, and you'll be redirected to this page right here. Then come here and click on create property. Okay, and we will have to fill in some details right here for this property. So we'll need to have a property label. Of course, you can label it anything. For example, birthday. And object type, make sure you have selected contact. And for this section, for group, it's in contact information. That is okay. You can add a description if you would like. For example, person's birthday. Then you come here to field type. This is also important. And I want you to select this, okay? Scroll down here and select date picker. Okay. And here we can go ahead and click on show date only. If you want to do it with relative time, you can do that as well. We can come here to rules. And on this section, I want you to make sure that any date is selected for the dates allowed for this property. Okay. And then you just have to come at the top right and click on create to save this new property. And as you can see, the property has been created. Okay. And now the birthday field has been added as a field to HubSpot. It's really that easy and simple.